Hi everyone! We're now here at Ike. So, dito po kami ngayon sa Ike as part of our outing as staff sa Brightwoods. So, yeah, I'll tour you around sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-enchanted. So, ang aming first ride ay, anong first ride natin? Flying Fiesta! Hindi namin po alam. So, fit check!
Bukod na po yung flight.
Ting fit natin for today. Hi, Shell!
Hi! Ayun na pala ang flying green.
So, ito aming first ride, guys. Flying Fiesta. Ride with me! Oh, we're done with our first ride.
Nahilo lang kami.
We are now at Twin Spin. Hindi ko lang pa paano yan. But let's see. Kainit? Oh, ang init. So, tapos na sa Twin Spin, guys. Nakahilo. Hindi kasi pwede yung video. Pero yan. Hindi ko mapigilan din. So, nandito na kami sa loob, guys. Para kami mga transformer. Let's watch.
Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing.
So, hey guys. Off to the next one. We're done with lunch, so we'll proceed to another activity.
Kasi alam yung pag-tigil, gumanon doon sa ano.
So guys, ito ka lang mararanasan ng drive. We are now on the Dudgeon. Let's go. Hala ka! Paano dinadrive to? How to drive this one? Ay! Paano dinadrive to? Ah, ito pala. Thank you. Ayaw, bandar. Buka! Ay, paano to? Ay! Hala ka! Hala ka! Sige, banggay niyo na lang ako. Handa na bang mahilo ang lahat? Let's go! Let's ride! Tatanggalin po. So this is us after riding the space shuttle. Grabe! Scary. Pangatlo ko na to pero still scary. Kamusta ka naman, Shell? Kita ba? I survived the space shuttle. So bought this lemonade for 85 pesos. So, eto muna tayo. Anong next natin sasakyan? Nakakapagod na. Tama namin mga kasama. Ayan na yan po mulit mag-ikay po ini. Dahil niya po lupa. Huy! Uy! Splak na po rin si Bini Mika. Bini Maloy. Give up na rin po si Bini Maloy.
Tara doon tayo sa aircon.
Hi guys! Welcome to the club of the club. Club na kami.
Club ng mga pagod. Mga tita.
Ayun, di kami nag-ski shuttle. Nag-K-pop shuttle kami. Di ba yan? Favorite K-pop shuttle is the key to success.
Ang dami pala. Hello? It's a prank. It's a prank. Kasi nasa loob na pala lahat. Uy! Napagod. So it's a prank pala. Marami palang tao. Going to our next adventure. Gonna ride na Rio Grande. So, tingnan natin kung sinong mababasa. Video to follow. Ayan na. Ayan na. Sino mababasa?
Some men never come, road trips and shotguns, soldiers, heat, smile is kicking in, vibe in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not.
Asan yung isang ano?
Ayun, vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, the way it takes you so. Come and feel like I could breathe in space. Some men never come, road trips and shotguns, soldiers, heat, smile is kicking in, vibe in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, summer's on my
Si John,
Stand straight lang.
mas madali yun.
Go.
Go! Ay, daka na. Parang hirap naman yan.
Hirap naman pala. Uy!
Isa-isa lang.
Okay.
This is the great time.
Umuiikot. Para tuloy-tuloy na yung basa ako kasi...
Ay, uulan na.
Hindi, winter. Ay, yung sinasakay yung lahat.
So hindi pa po nag-start yun?
Mamaya nung tuloy tayo. Mga tatlong
I'm on top of the world. Hey. Uy, yung bao, di pa natin sinakyan yun, no? Yung purple doon, yung purple, yung may purple na bubong. Yung disco magic. Oo nga.
Pwede naman natin sasakyan.
Someday never come. Road trips and shotgun. Sunshine on the skin, smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere. Endless nights, summer's on my mind. Dressed in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, the way you take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotgun. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. Summer's on my mind.
So that ends our UK tour.
So sila po lahat ay pagod.
Kanya budget.
Kapag kalaro ko ay may pagalo ay may pagalo.
Ato yun.
So we're now off to our Airbnb.
Hayaan muna natin mainit si Bulalo. Mainit si Bulalo.
CJ, open mo, tapos unti-unti.
Papanin ako marami.
Ibon!
Ako na tayo. Tikman ko na po.
Our ulam. Ano ba yan pinaka? This?
Ulaman!
Ano to? Tingin ko ano, pata. Baka Nestle cream. Meron siya Nestle cream. Kulala. Pero ayun na lang rin.
One eternity later.
Say hi guys to the vlog. Ganito ang name ng Lisa lang. Sure ba na siya? 3M na. Wow, Liz. Sana ulit. Baka. Lisa yan. Lisa yan. Lisa yan. Wait lang. Paano makikita yun? Saan ko po sa inyo? Sige. Hindi, comment na lang yung username niya.
Tastes like
Good morning, everyone! And of course, it's now day 2 of our tour. So this is the last day and we're now here at Starbucks Hiraya. I'm eating gum. Here's the view! Kasi hindi nyo makikita yung Taal right now kasi so foggy. Kasi nga maulan. But if it's clear, makikita nyo siya dyan. So, I'll tour you around Starbucks Hiraya. Actually, na-hype to nung kakagawa pa lang niya. But so far now, may madami pa din. Pero not unlike before na super haba ng pila. But I guess sobrang madaming tao after or maybe during lunch. But now, hindi gaano madami. Hindi gaanong madami. Thank you. Here's the view. Okay, I'll tour you around. Let's go.
The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Some may never come. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in.
Ayan. This is nice.
Dala ko yun na natin.
Baka sa amin na yun.
Hala. Ha?
Ang sarap. Nakakainis.
Tara.
Good decision.
Talawag na tayo.
Ay, inubos.
Kinain.
Guys. Hindi, pwede naman. So, we are here at Cecilia's. Okay. Let's buy pasalubong. Let's buy. Niregalo niya sa akin. Niregalo niya. Daming pasalubong, guys. Makapuno daw. Makapuno dito. Grabe na makapuno yung isa. Ito, ate pa rin makapuno. Jillian to eh. Ay, it's pasol. How much is the tamarind? 140. Gusto nyo ng tamarind eh. Kaya natin ng tamarind yung ating bebelats. Ito, pwede pa sa mga. Makapuno, makapuno. Makapuno guys, let's buy. Ito, ano kaiba nito? Ito lang po. Ang sarap ng butcheron. Butcheron! Ito pala kaya klase. Ay, mas tilis ko eh. Ay, bakit? Kailan mo? Ha? Shoot up? Shit. Ay, shoot up. Dali na. Nakulit ka mo. May Gcash payment po. Credit card? Okay. Gcash card? Credit card? Debit card na lang. Magkano sa Ekbal? Let's pay.